Alright, look what's back in here. Going with the broken connecting rod. The customer's finally deciding to fix it. So we're going to put a new connecting rod, piston, crankshaft, wrist pin, all the goodies. And rebuild this Honda engine. Alright, got all the rings on. Now we'll connect it to the connecting rod with a brand new wrist pin and brand new snap rings. Alright, we got the connecting rod connected. Now we're going to slide this up in there and then we'll install the crankshaft. Alright, we got the piston installed. Now we're going to slide the crankshaft in, and the connecting rod's going to be right there. We'll just bolt it onto the crankshaft. Alright, crankshaft is in. Went ahead and put the connecting rod cap on and put the tappets in, lifters, whatever you want to call them. They're actually not lifters, but put the tappets in there, and now we'll slide the cam in and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, we got the camshaft put in. We got it timed. As you can see, there's two timing marks. This is the crankshaft timing mark right here on the left side with my fat finger. And then the cam one is this giant one right here. Just make sure those are aligned. You can't mess that up. No matter what the orientation is, it's always going to be in time as long as those marks are aligned. And as always, replace the sump gasket when you remove the pan off of an engine. Always replace this, no matter the condition or what it looks like. Alright, cover's installed. We'll flip this thing around and put together the flywheel and recoil start and all that, and we'll fire it up. And get in the habit of, anytime you take apart the internals of the engine, doesn't matter if you're replacing the crankshaft or whatever, you can snap these push rods back on, but always adjust the valves, because you will run into issues, and you just want to make sure that these valves are always adjusted properly. So we're going to adjust these valves. Alright, we got the valves adjusted. Now we're going to throw the main shroud and the recoil starter on this thing, and then we'll be closer to firing it up. So got the spark plug reinstalled, valves adjusted. We put the intake housing on, put the shrouds, recoil on, carburetor pieces, and then we're going to bolt it up to the piece of equipment. Alright, we got it all put back together. We had to connect the throttle cable, and I had to actually remove this back off, but no big deal. Connected the harness, connected the drive pulley here, rerouted the belt, kill wire. Everything is now ready to run. And there you have it, all put together, running, nice and smooth.